Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to reduce your stress levels. Ow, my tibula. How to reduce your stress levels. So you're trying to reduce your stress levels and thought that this video could help you out with that. Yes, you've definitely come to the right place. Now there are two essential ways that you can reduce your stress levels. The first one involves this pen. Now what you're going to want to do...
Can you tidy your room? It's absolutely disgusting.
Do you mind? I'm trying to produce a stress-free video.
It's so filthy.
Can you be quiet, please?
Don't tell me what to do. You're not the boss of me. You don't even know me. You can't even say those things about me.
Sorry about that. Now, what you'll want to do is to take this pen, just open up the lid, just like that, and then you'll want to move the pen ever so closely to your forehead, like this. And then you're going to want to jam it straight into your forehead, just like that. It's quite painful. You just have to keep doing it. Ow. That's definitely going to reduce your stress levels. It's definitely done that for me. Just remember that if the sharpness of the pen is causing you pain in any possible way, then that will mean that you're feeling stressed. And this technique may not be for you, so you may want to try something else instead. Now the next exercise involves getting onto a bed like this. From here, you'll want to raise your leg in the air, just like that. And then to help you to relax and reduce your stress levels, you're going to want to twist your spine, just like that, until you hear a pop sound.
I've just been in the toilet and I've noticed that you've taken a giant dookie in there. Why did you just leave it?
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
It didn't flush either, so I had to stick my hand down there and force it down. You need to take more responsibility for your dookies.
My apologies. It won't happen again.
I've got a feeling you don't wipe yourself either.
Oh no. You will know my terrible secret about taking a dookie in the toilet. It's really embarrassing. I feel so ashamed. I can't do any more of this tutorial. I'll see you later.
I've just come from the kitchen cupboard and I want to know why there's a load of lipstick on the chocolate bar wrappers. What have you been up to?
I'm sorry, I can't help you out with that one. I don't know what you're talking about.
I know it was you. You're on the CCTV camera. And we also did a DNA fingerprint test and it matched yours 100%.
No, you've got the wrong person. That definitely wasn't me.
You're a strange little creature. Well, this outro is not going to reduce anyone's stress levels. It's just plastered with random idiot logos. Absolutely disgusting. Ugh.